This is one of the corners where we will set up on a tripod some lights. They will be right here behind the railing in front of the front row. The front row will be taped off so that no one can get into that, so that you see that they're protected. Now, one of the interesting things is you see at this fascia board at the bottom here, there's a gap there. I'll try marking it with my foot. And we can run our wires in that all the way across. We'll have a wire that goes to another lighting setup over here, but those wires are completely out of not only the pathway, but a view of people. Another thing that's important, we will bring power from back there behind the stage along here, and you see one very good thing is that there's this railing here against the wall, and behind it is a place that we can tuck our wires safely so that no one can trip there. And let's see, also, we'll have some wires running along the front of the stage. Again, you see, I can put my foot under there so that the wires that run across the front of the stage can be completely secured away from anyone in the audience walking by. We'll take wiring up this step you see and along the wall. Those will be taped over there protectively and go into the back area, which is actually where these will be plugged in. There are two outlets on the stage. We will probably not use those, but there's power in there. And I'll just show you back at the table there, you see there is a power outlet that will be used for our video cameras.